Welcome to this custom-built, one-of-a-kind, gorgeous home. It's ideally located on a large, beautifully landscaped lot in a peaceful setting. This meticulously designed craftsman home is built for the best in indoor and outdoor Northwest living. The inviting covered front porch welcomes you home. You'll discover an elegant interior with beautiful built-ins, a cozy fireplace, Bose surround sound, box beam ceilings, designer paint colors, and rejuvenation lighting. The Dreamy kitchen with natural cherry cabinets has every amenity for the chef and the family, including a butler's pantry, a large island, abundant storage and a huge walk-in pantry, Insta-Hot and soapstone sinks, plus a Dacor range with a warming drawer and pot filler. You can entertain in the well-appointed formal dining room with wainscoting. Relax and unwind in the spacious main floor master suite. In the master bath, you'll enjoy heated tile floors, a dual sink vanity, jetted tub, a large walk-in shower, and a huge walk-in closet. You'll also find a convenient mudroom, a main level bath, and one of 2 laundry rooms. This home of nearly 4,600 square feet has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, including 3 en-suites. You'll also find a huge vaulted bonus room and a 5th non-conforming bedroom, plus a laundry room on this upper level. The expansive yard has plenty of space to host huge gatherings, entertain friends and family with a covered outdoor kitchen, while listening to the sounds of the water feature. This well-designed outdoor space includes a paver patio, custom-built dog kennel, high-pressure irrigation, and a garden shed in a tranquil setting. You have room for all of your toys in the 4-car garage. You'll find this spectacular home here on Summerhill Place, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Amanda Borgaro with Premier Property Group.